Hey everybody, it's Dina Rico with the Creativity Cave, and I've got a beautiful, but really simple card to share with you today. So I hope you're going to love it. This features the mega suite from Stampin' Up! Called Parisian Blossoms. There's two bundles that are a part of that suite, and I'm actually using both of them. There is the Parisian Beauty bundle, and then there's also the Forever Blossoms bundle, and they're both gorgeous. They also coordinate with the Parisian Blossoms printed paper. Sorry, I had to reach down to grab it. And this paper is beautiful. It's got these metallic accents. They're kind of like a champagne color. And they're just so, paper is just so beautiful. So let me show you how I created my card. Really simple. I'm going to start with a Whisper White thick card base, and I'll just fold that in half. And then I've got a piece of, I started with a 3 3/4 by 5-inch piece of printed paper. I will adhere that to a piece of 3 7/8 by 5 1/8 Pool Party. And I'm just going to use my liquid glue for that. And this is also really cool because I am part of a design team that creates a PDF each month, the All-Star Tutorial Bundle. And this month we focused all our projects on this suite, and the projects are stunning. In fact, quick commercial break. This is just kind of the little sampling of it, and the projects are truly amazing. Look, there's me. And so I've got my friends from all over the world who've created projects for this tutorial. You can get it 3 different ways. The first way is my favorite, and that's free with a $50 purchase in my online store. And of course, you're going to want this stuff. So you can order it through my online store, get it for free. And then at the end, I'll tell you the other ways. Okay, so back to my card. I die cut the Eiffel Tower in my silver foil. Now, I know you're looking at this going, oh my gosh, that is going to be so hard to get all the little things out of those holes. And I will tell you that it literally, they showered down like a soft rain out of my die cut, literally. They all just fell right out. It cuts amazing, and I was very, very happy with that. Okay, so to adhere this to my card, I'm going to take and squirt out a little bit of liquid glue onto my craft sheet, my silicone craft mat, whatever this thing is called. And by the way, all the supplies I'm using are linked in the description below, along with the blog post, so you can see the photos of everything that I made. Okay, so there's one little piece that's sticking, and I think it's just that it's stuck in the spot. There we go. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of put a little bit of glue on the back of this die cut, and then I can adhere it right to my card like this. And I want it pretty close to the bottom. I'm leaving like about a little less than 1/8 of an inch. Okay, so there it is. And now look, I'm not full of glue and my card is not full of glue. Everybody's happy. I love this technique. Okay, so I've got that, and then I'm going to put it to one more layer of cardstock, which is Gray Granite, and that is 4 by 5 1/4. So I've got all these pretty layers, and that was just kind of to tie everything in. I'll show you what I mean by that, because I also die cut a couple of these little flowers. Gotta find my other flower. Ooh, I had a little flower. I might have to die cut another little one. It was here just a minute ago. Okay, I quick die cut some more flowers. I had one. I'm not sure. It's probably stuck to me somewhere, knowing me. I will also give you another little tip. I take a clear envelope and just put extra pieces, and then I just put it inside my stamp set along with the dies. It's really easy to keep them like that, and then when you go to use your set, you can just pull out the flowers. Okay, so I'm going to try something on this too. Just this kind of literally just came to me. Hold on. So if you've seen me, you know that I use these little, I'm just making sure. Oh, there is color on that one. We don't want to use this one. Don't worry, we're covering that up. Here, I think this one, or no, this one's yellow, I bet. Yep. Goodness. Okay, so I have these brushes that I've used, and these little teeny ones are ones I don't use as often. I'm just grabbing a scrap. I like the bigger ones personally. These are just makeup brushes, and you've seen me use them before. I'm trying to get all the ink off of this one so that I can use it. So what I want to do is just put a little teeny bit of color, and that's why I like this little one, because it's pretty small. Yeah, I was afraid this was going to be a little greeny. So there we go. Just getting a little color on here. And then I'm just going to literally put a little bit of color right in the center of this. And I want it to go out just enough so you can see it behind the flower that I'm going to add. So there's just a teeny bit of color. Okay, and then I'm going to take this littlest flower. So this is the biggest of the flowers in the cherry blossom dies. And then I'm going to take the littlest one. I'm going to grab a little mini dimensional here, and I'll adhere it to my larger flower. And the flower petals sort of line up. You can see like that. Okay, so you can see just a teeny bit of color popping out from under there. Not much, just a little. Just doesn't add too much, but it's nice. Okay, I'm going to attach this to my card with a couple of glue dots. And I'm leaving a little bit on this side empty, or like no glue dots, so that I can tuck my leaves behind. And I've cut the two larger leaves. There's 3 sizes of leaves, so I've just cut one of the medium and one of the large size. And then I'll take and just curl that up a little bit and tuck it right under here. And since I didn't put a glue dot, it's a little easier to tack that down on that side of my blossom. And then add the second leaf. Oh, so pretty. Now, at this point, I thought about adding a sentiment to this, but I couldn't find a place that I liked it. So I decided to just put it on the inside of my card. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll glue this layer to the front of that card. We'll cover up that ink that I kind of smeared on there. Okay, no one will be the wiser. And then what I'm going to do is decorate the inside a little bit. So in our stamp set, there is a sentiment that's so awesome. It says, life is an adventure with you. Or no, life is a magnificent adventure. Pardon me. Close. Just not quite. So I'm going to stamp that in some Gray Granite ink right there. And then I'm going to create just a little collage down here at the bottom. So I'm taking a few more of the images from this stamp set, and I'll stamp that little fleur-de-lis. And then, actually, I got to look at this to remember how I did it. Oh, there we go. I'm going to add the little writing and then the postage cancellation mark. Okay, so the cancellation is going to be in Gray Granite, along with those lines. And then I took the the words. I'm going to stamp off the first layer just so that they're subtle. And then I'll just kind of put them right across the whole thing. And then you have just a cute little collage in the corner here. And I think this actually, you could kind of make a card just with this. It's very simple and nice, but I think it would make a really pretty simple card. So there it is. Now, if you like this bundle and would like some more inspiration, let me tell you, you've got to get this PDF. It's just so amazing. There are 12 projects. And they are stunning projects. I was really impressed as I was scrolling through them the other day. I was like, wow, we are good. Anyway, so you can get them 3 ways. As I mentioned, you can purchase, or you can, if you purchase $50 in my online store, you'll get this for free. The second way is to simply purchase the PDF. It's $15 for 12 projects. The PDF is 75 pages. It's amazing. Tons of photos, step-by-step directions, and of course, all the dimensions for all these projects. And then the third way is that members of my demonstrator family get them for free. So if you're on my team of demonstrators, demonstrators, you get this for free as one of the perks of being on my team. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Otherwise, you can shop my online store. There's links in the description of this video. Don't forget also to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the amazing videos that I do each week. There's a little thing right here in the corner to click on. And I would be so appreciative to be your demonstrator, and I would love to take excellent care of you. I've got a great VIP rewards program for my customers, and I'd love to welcome you to that. So thank you guys so much for stamping with me today. Have a great day, and we'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.